Dude, this thing sucks. Not in my chat. Ah, this sucks. Ah, annoying. Yo, 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 yo. I think audio. Oh, audio's a bit low actually. Vai. Test, test, test. No, a bit more. Yeah, it's just below the yellow. Okay, there we go. That's good. But Ravo. How do? How do? I'm doing blueprinty today. The stream's bitrate 6,000. I have no idea. Hey Jay, hey Mr. Brooker. I tried to add a chat, but it just doesn't work. I tried to do stream elements and it just does not connect to the chat. It says it does, but it doesn't. I'm trying to like up the production value, but it's already failed. How do? How do? Welcome back, folks. Been watching some of the videos coming from the film side. I gotta say, very cool. Hey, awesome. What do you do in films? Oh, they didn't separate the bulb, I think. No. It's okay, we can come to that bit. Hello. Freelance 3D modeler for commercials. Oh, cool. Are the deadlines? How are the deadlines for that? Like how much time? If you get, say, you have to do a Christmas commercial, how much time do you get to do that before Christmas? Or how early does the thing have to be for that? Oh wait, what? You suddenly decided to connect? I didn't even click you. What's going on? What's going on, bro? Dude, it took so long. I tried to join it to the account yesterday. What the hell? What is going on? Hold on. That's so random. That's what happens when we try and up the production value. So you guys are going to be my testing area as well for today. You're going to be my testing stream. Hey, let's go. It's, oh my god, it's so delayed. Fifth semester 3D. Jen, I want to say hi. Big thank you for your videos. Hey, no problem, man. I'm glad you enjoy them. I am just transferring information from games and awesome artists. So those guys are the goats. I am just a messenger, but I'm glad it helps your educational journey. I'm curious, optimization for games. What is most costly, lights, textures, or poly count? Depends on the platform, but usually it's lights and textures. So every year, I'm doing new COD environments. Really interesting. They do look good. Depending on the COD, though, they're usually quite heavy on mega scans, which if you're an artist, you can spot a mile away. But the focus on those games is gameplay anyway, right? So oh yeah, Mr. Brooker is Team Battlefield. That's right, I remember. And Leif is Team Counter Strike. Yeah, when you like for a multiplayer game, a competitive multiplayer game, the rules are very different for quite a few things, optimization and value of lighting. Right, you can't have anything too dark. You just gotta learn to aim, Leif. That's all you gotta do, bro. Just learn to aim, and you'll be good. How's everyone's Thursday going? Good to be back. Oh, it's all different. I forgot about that. The UI. Yeah, not too bad. Thanks. So last Thursday we had the guest talk on at the same time around the stream. That was Nate Stevens giving environmental feedback, and then the week before I was away for a release party of a VR game that I did some work on with End Dreams called Reach. So we did. I was away in London for that, so we haven't streamed the last 2 weeks. So I'm going to put it below it for now, but what eventually should do is separate the bulb out and put it inside, and then turn off shadows on the bulb. But for now, because it's one mesh, I'll put it just below. Trying to find a good song. Anyone remember Gorillas? Quite a good band. Old school though. I think the first Gorillaz song I ever heard and saw was the Clint Eastwood. Hey, nice. Yeah, Leo's doing well in the Houdini world. That's right. Oh, oops. That's stupid. Hey, Astro. How are you? Are you at work? Or are you just listening in? Yeah, is there anything going on video game industry wise other than the layoffs that is in the news or in talks? Oh shit! When did I mute? I've been muted all this time. What was the last word you heard? This is the technical piece, Leah. So the blueprint light prop, lighting zoo swapper, PBL, learning blueprint, and how to do things with it and practicing it. So we got a good grasp on most of it, but we'll bump into some new stuff. Yeah, when did you last hear me? That would be the question. Because I was answering. So, are you in a cave? Yes, I am a bear. Um, Square Enix, yep. Hey Astro. And then for that Dungeons chat, I just said, yeah, we're just testing values. Don't worry, we're not going to do a 200,000 lumen lamp. We can do though. I might just keep it like that though to annoy you. But we'll see. But yeah, it should be back now. Cool. So branch into yes, set intensity, block out material, which will be off. We need to split the mesh. New intensity, default 0. Okay, let's have a gander. So, righty. Just for you, Amber. 400,000. That's right. Just for you, because I love you. You are the light of my chat. So we're going higher. Every time we do a setting, we're going up 200,000. That's it. We're going to 1,000,000 just for you. All right, so that disables. Cool. Okay, it changes material, which will be the off material. Nice. So swap material, that will eventually be a proper material. So let's comment that up. Non-emissive bulb. So I get OCD putting stuff on the grid. But every time I zoom out, it's a different grid. So it's like a never-ending war of OCD. I will get a lamp though eventually, probably for Christmas. Just up here, give me some horror key lighting. The horror is my face because you can see it. So we'll get that. Until then, we are cave. We're rocking the cave look for sure. That's right. Would I want to disable the shadows of the bulb? Yeah, okay, sure, yeah. We need a master control as well for the shadows, in case we have the light on from a distance and we want the shadows off. So turn on, disable. I am silly. So who's going to be showing Patreon work in a little bit? Definitely going to be Leah. Leah and V. Always. Hey, we did it. Of course, V, the king. I know two V's and they're both kings. That's crazy. That's all good. You can drop in and show stuff whenever you wish. It's all good. You are fine. Put the bulb, default bulb on. It was light controls. Oh no, no, no! I don't want that. That is a mesh. We don't want that. Okay, now the bot works. We can test some things out since I'm live. That's right. That's right. Set up my shill message. You can set it to like every 10 seconds, just shill. No, it doesn't. 20 seconds. 20 seconds shill. That's right. Where's that go-to message? Yeah, there we go. Let's give this a test. Oh my god, I can give it a cooldown. Holy shit. Say, mention. No, I don't want it to whisper. Say, user cooldown. Is that in minutes? I think that's in minutes. Let's type in 30. All right, let's give this a test. Someone type X. Oh, I can type actually. Oh, what's the Patreon about, Elliot? Well, I'm glad you asked, friend, because there we go. A bit slow, but it got there in the end. We're good. That's right. Anyone asks, that's what you get. See, I'm becoming useful in production. I could make a command called Leah. See how that reads on full screen. With over 4 instances here, this is going in fantastic memes. That looks good to me. Yeah, just sign up on a new account. I forgot what I was doing. What was I doing? Yeah. Um. No. I did this before. Oh, I don't have a. Oh, I don't have a cast. Oh, why's that so laggy? Holy shit! That's lucky. Oh, we need to go up again. There we go. Super sunlight. That's right. Should we make a bully Leah command? Make it another top fan goal. That's right. That's right, Leah. That's right. It's a coming. The enemy of my enemy is my enemy of the enemy of the enemy of the enemy. Yeah, we'll probably do jump on the call with the patrons in 20 minutes. So in about 20 minutes, I'll hop on the voice. So every half an hour, it should pop out a message. So we will keep an eye out in at least 25 minutes. I'm too serious there. It's because we're about to fight, Renzo. You and I, we're about to fight. Listen, don't be thinking you're tough just because you won another Tiger Award for best university. I'll get you. I think we're set up for core controls. We need to split the bulb from the mesh to material swap it, and probably see if we can use the geometry mode for that. Question mark. I don't know why this asset wouldn't have the bulb separate. That's a little oversighty. Hey Renzo, when are you gonna ask Leo when her deadline is? Oh, it's wait. Am I doing this wrong? Is that? No, there's no way. I've never used. I've made a box with this tool before. That's about it. Oh, oh. And we got it. Oh. Okay. Now I have to figure out how to make it separate. Was that it? Let's go. It's pretty clever how that selected. It knew the mouse was on the bulb. It didn't select all the stuff behind it. That's pretty cool. I've done that on a blueprint though. That's what does that mean? Oh, it fucks up the behavior. Okay, so I need to. All right. Okay, I need to not do it on the blueprint. I need to do it on the mesh. Interesting. Interesting. Welcome back, Mr. Booker. We're going to do Patreon feedback shortly. Wait, have they? Interesting. Could have just done a single like material layer for that. Do I have to separate it? Can I not just give it a material ID in here? Oh shit, where's my bulb gone? No, where have you gone? Unreal pivots in 2025 still scuffed. Why would you even be down there? I don't understand. Ah yeah. Cool. Classic. Whatever. I have to separate it from the metal rod as well. That will be a future Elliot problem, as well as it being black for some reason. Interesting. Oh, he's shown his face. Tanax Brenner, Lord of the South and the Middlelands. What the fuck? Oh, rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. I forgot. I forgot. Oh, yes. Oh, God. So many little things with lighting. Right, it's I'll do that one afterwards. It is Patreon time. So let me make sure we're set up proper. I've got PC audio on. Do this. Oh, I need to check that. Okay, cool. PC audio. Discord. Oh, what was that? What was that? T? You want to know about the Patreon and how to get on the Discord? I got you. That's right. That's right. Test, test. All right, Yeti works.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Doing well. How about you?
All good.
We are so back.
We are so back. We're looking at your thread, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So it's been a few weeks. So what's been happening? Let the people know.
Yeah, so I don't know if they remember that I've shifted my focus to the scene now. Well, if you don't, surprise, surprise. I'm now only focusing on the ramen shop here. Past 1 and 2 weeks I've been just doing nanite word paint on the road and the wall behind the vending machine. This week I basically redid the screen effects, like the screen advertisements from scratch. So These ones I made in Canva, brought it up here in Unreal, and now it's like an animated background that's playing. And today and last night I was doing some work with the light function. Because I do have a lot of emissive material
Mm-hmm.
and objects, so I just wanted to add a bit of light function to it. Yeah. Some of the light function I'm still like experimenting on. So the one on the top of vending machine, it's not 100% accurate. So yeah, might need to adjust that in Designer. Yeah, that's the progression shot.
Mm-hmm.
I have to make a separate progression shot for the vending machine, but that one would be in my assets view with a different camera angle. So this one is the main one.
Mm. Yeah, interesting. Well, I'm disconnecting.
Are you? Oh,
OBS said it was disconnecting me, but it could be just a bug. We just load up Miro.
Do you have the access? This mirror?
Oh, it's the Miro app being.
Uh,
It doesn't seem to want to load up in the app for some reason.
can you load up your Miro board? Or if you have a spare one, I can share the screenshots in here.
That's all good. Should be able to get ins.
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah, because it's a new board, right? So I won't have it.
There's nothing,
Oh, I'll say
nothing
what
else.
happened to your board? Your board. There's
Yeah.
minimalistic, and then there's your board. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, AOV
Right.
perfs using like. Is that the baked AO or that can't be SSAO? Yeah, that's not the SSAO.
It's not, it's not.
Yeah.
It's the AO from, it's either the baked AO or the AO from the textures.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ignore this floor for now. I assume it's work in progress. It looks too dark. You compare it to.
Does it look okay? Because I did match the
It seems a bit dark.
relative.
It seems a
Okay.
bit. It might need more contrast versus the brightness, but it seems like this albedo.
Okay.
You can see the contrast. And,
Yeah.
this one seems flat.
Mhm. I'll have a look at it. Okay.
See if I can edit.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool. That new
Yeah.
logo is cool.
Thank you.
I was going to try and draw with the pen, but
Oh, you can't? Okay.
no, it says I request access. Says you need to give it me.
Yeah, just a second.
Request ticket.
How do you give the access?
Should be up here in the top right,
I
and it should be. You should be able to click a notification.
It didn't show me anything. Can you send again the request? Oh, wait, let me refresh this. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Do I have to send invitation? Oh,
Nah, it should work after. My God, I have edits, but it's like, what's wrong with your board? It's like you on like the Miro peasant version because I don't even have like any pen features. Hey, where's the pen? What's going on?
I don't know. What's
I bet that's a new Miro
uh
thing, just scuffing up things.
that?
I think in the future I'll just get screenshots. And go from there. Well, I can't draw with the mouse, so I can certainly arrow. Oh, try refreshing. Okay. Aha!
There you go.
Leif. Leif is the god.
Late for the rescue.
He is
Thank
the
you.
man. Yeah, I know he fixed Leah's board as well because Leah's board was a mess. It was completely unprofessional. Leif fixed it. So Leif's good on you, Leif. That's how to do it. Cool. So what state do you think it's currently in? Like how far are you ready from releasing this and all that sort of stuff?
Probably like a week. Yeah, because I still need to do all the breakdowns and everything. So it's gonna take for at least 3 days, I suppose. Other than that, I need to like make some textures for these right here,
Mm-hmm.
this one, and I need to do something for this structure. Yeah,
Yeah. Cool. Bloom strength on that
right.
is good. I think at the moment I'll just point out the most obvious thing. So at the moment you're this is the
I also think this is too
TDs.
dark.
That's really bright.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I meant to say too bright. My bad. You said the TD is off, and that just yeah. Anyways,
Yeah, it's my.
um,
I'm gonna try and be without a Wacom. So autistic. Yeah. TD here is oh my god. There we go. TD fix super blurry. Look at it, right next to a sharp asset. It's like the cardinal sin of TD. So make sure to fix that. You're gonna work on this floor, right? Because this floor is just kind of looks like a old school texture. It doesn't have any like material definition.
I don't know why the tessellation is not there in this screenshot, but let me, because it has height map and tessellation and everything.
May as well just like model
just
each slab at this point. It's like a diorama. Make a slab,
Model.
texture it, and just yeah.
Okay, we'll see about that. Yeah, just wanted to go with texture with height map and just tessellate it.
Yeah, I mean, that might do the job, but let's see. So check that. This is strange here, so I don't know what's going on here. It's like too bright, it's super white, and it's
That has a spotlight there. I think that one is too bright. Yeah,
just
I'll
put
fix
a
that.
point light here or something like that, and just have it irradiate out, and it will because this is super bright. This wall as well. Ideally, right, this should be like when you get to like here, this wall should like almost go into darkness so that your eye focuses down into the image. At the moment, it's too bright. So unless you're going to put a vending machine, not vending machine, unless you're going to start putting like friggin' big ass hero air cons there, you want to fade that with a gradient. So black down to white. And that's what's missing. A lot of this is missing gradients. I think you could do a lot with lighting on this, especially. Just popping bits out, like all this trim detail you've made here. It's kind of dulled out at the moment, so you could probably put like a point light or some rec lights pointing at it, because you're not a lighting artist, right? You're doing environment tech shaders, so you just use GoHam on the lights and it'll be fine. Cool. That again over here, like this is like super bright, this spot. If anything, that should be almost in darkness so that this can silhouette against it.
Okay. I'll see what I can do in a week's time.
Yeah, well, this one's just a lighting one, but it kind of just shows the same. Unless you change the color, it shows the same vending machine over and over.
Yes, I do have the color ID map now, so that would be there tomorrow. Yeah.
Hey, Dissy, how you doing? So TD, floor texture. You could probably pop the bloom on these green things. Up the multiplier on them a little bit. Actually, there's not really much. Check your bloom in general because I don't really see like the sort of haze coming off it. So double check that because you want it to pop. But yeah, other than that, it's just lighting, and then I think the biggest one is I don't get the curb. I don't think, is this in Cyberpunk? Did they do this?
They do, but not this extreme.
Yeah,
I need some like extra bit to cover it up just to add
seems,
contrast in that one piece. Yeah, it's very repetitive. Yeah.
It seems weird as well that a screen would be there. I think the one you had before looked better. This one looked better than this because this has some like design to it and all that sort of stuff. So because you had some cool shapes going on there, but then this one's was like, but it's going to distract either way, right? Like ideally, it should just be it should be something like this, but the lighting as well is too bright, so it should again be dark going into the image. So whatever's brightening this up, because as soon as you put a light on that curb, it's gonna stop you looking at the sushi bar as the first step, as well.
Gotcha.
Wait, where's the board gone? But cool, yeah. Take this, turn it black and white. Start trying to pop the values out. So go in and add a, like a point light here with green on to help pop it out. And then if you do a structure up here, that can uplight the structure. Make sure that's dark on the sides. You want to focus into the image, so it should be darker on the sides and darker on this bit, so that you're looking in. And then these bits just feel like they're not in light, so they need popping out with some more value and lighting. Yeah, I think that's the main things at the moment. So, cool. Have you tried enabling SSAO and seeing how that looks?
No, I didn't give it a try.
You should give it a try for sure. I think you'll get nice contact shadowing. It's on that. If you check out that, I forgot his name, but it's that medieval house that he did with Alex Beddoes.
Yeah.
The before after SSAO is mad. So yeah, a lot of value in lighting. So what you want to do is you want to take your image, make it black and white, blur it, and then be like, where's the values, and then use that to every now and again when you're lighting every few hours to get this popping in the middle really nicely. Because you want to show off the work you've done, right? So get it popping. So cool. Yeah, up bloom, all that sort of stuff. Other than that, yeah, it's in its final polish stages. So get it popping, get the bloom up, work on the lighting, and that's about it for now. The shader stuff is all pretty much like you know what you're doing with that. So cool.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, good sir.
Yeah.
Is a diploma in college better or private institutes? It depends. Like how committed you are to what you want to do, right? Like if you really want to like commit yourself to getting a job in games, and you're able to pick your school per se, then Think Tank is like one of the best, if not the best, because it's taught by actual industry people. The problem with universities, 99% of people that work in universities have not worked in the games industry, or they used to work in it 10 years ago. Whereas Think Tank actually has live people work in industry and mentor and teach alongside it. So you have to weigh up the schools as well. But Think Tank is, you look at the people coming out of Think Tank, they're all job level. It's insane. So that would be my opinion on that. Speaking of dwarves, hello.
Oh, are you talking about yourself in the mirror?
No,
I
no,
can
no.
leave.
I'm talking. Oh, you can. Well, we can do Thomas's feedback then if you want to leave.
No.
No, no.
Oh,
What?
Thomas
What?
will
Yeah,
come
that's
back.
what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Rightio. How are we? What are we looking at then? 8:23 p.m. What have you been up to recently with your scene? Let the people know.
Yeah. So, what is it? I've been focusing on the main tower, bringing that one to L3, which it now is. I still have to tweak some things like what is it, the edge plaster, the transition towards with that one, right? Because the edge plaster, it's a tool which I've made. Ignore that, like I have to fix the collagen. But yeah, basically making smaller transitions between meshes. But I kind of want to take a break off that tower, at least for now, and bring everything else to that same quality level. And then go back for final fixes. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
cleaning up, polishing, etc. Yeah. Basically it.
Cool, cool. Load up your board.
Yeah.
Yeah, the mirror app is scuffed. It said, "Do you want to open in the mirror app?" Yes, and then it just didn't load up.
Oh, Miro. Yeah, so a bunch of stuff has happened, but like,
I forgot how to change the sizes. This kind of looks like this blue drawing. Kind of looks like a cat standing up on its two legs, looking off to the side. You see it?
yeah, I
this,
see
this
it.
is the ear. This is the little legs. How do you? I thought you could change the pen size on this. Okay, there we go.
You can, yeah, on that one exactly, and then like the slider on top. Yeah.
Cool, cool. Where are we looking? Oh, lost the chat.
So,
oh, sorry, just a quick one. Don't rely on job placements. Like, honestly, no one really. Artists don't get job placements. Like, they do, but I can tell you that in my 6 years teaching, one person got a job placement. Like, they love job placing programmers, but artists don't even count on it. If that's what you're looking for in a program, you probably won't ever. 99% chance it won't happen. It's just so rare, and it's just how it is, sadly. Yes, where are we looking? Where are we looking?
so let's go up here. You know, let's do the introductions.
God.
Introductory. What?
It's not plushy.
All right. It is pushy.
Is it?
Yeah. Wow. All right. Let's keep moving. So yeah, last week. Last week, what is it? It was like Nate Stevens, etc. So I guess it's like two weeks of mirror board. So yeah, here week 8 and week 9.
Yeah.
It's basically environment progress, right?
Hold on. We're cooking here. There we. All right. Where are we going?
All right.
Oh my god! You see what Slate put in the chat?
Dude, for somebody who doesn't have his camera on, those are some mighty bold words. Yeah, tell you that. All right, we talk later, Slate.
Okay, no,
Yes.
getting distracted. Okay, where were we?
Oh, take your time, you know. Yeah, okay, so a bunch of stuff has happened. I guess as a recap for you, the lovely people at YouTube. The last week, I've been basically focusing on creating some nifty Houdini tools, for like edges, like creating edge bricks,
Mhm.
and also creating bricks for framing, right? So that a model in itself is not as bare bones. So that's something. Yeah, I created this roof tool, which is also quite nice. Like this is also completely done in Houdini, right? Yeah. Started reworking the ladder, but yeah, basically that was week 8, and for week 9, I had those 3 days where I basically reworked the net tool. So it's also working out in Unreal Engine, etc. Someone was quite interested, so I thought like, okay, why not invest those 3 days to make it HTA ready? Yeah.
That's right. Lead material artist at PlayStation Visual Arts wanted to have a go with the HDA tool, right? That's pretty cool.
Yeah, exactly. It was like, yeah, like I just post stuff on LinkedIn and everything, and suddenly, yeah, this post blew up, right? It's like, yeah, cool, of course you want it. Yeah, I can give it to you. So that would took some time, and then basically, yeah, Tuesday I started with creating like this plaster selection tool, which I have to, work on the transitions. And on Wednesday, T was very helpful. T and Fabio were very helpful in like, I guess, kind of like role playing the scene and what would make sense. So I got some great insight of that. And yeah, basically now my plan is to work on the houses step by step, to build some variations. Yeah, which fit into the story, which fit into the immersion, the role play. Yeah.
Cool. So something's wrong with your board. I think it's a scale. This is the maximum I can zoom in, which I want to be able to zoom into these and really see what's going on. But so for next week, if you find some time to just fix your board scale, I'll be able to look at some of this stuff because it looks cool, but I can't really get in there.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
No
good
problem.
job. There's the big problem with environment art at the moment is a lot more people are able to create good looking scenes, but they're often devoid of story and feeling. They're just like pretty things. And so the next level now to really get that job and stand out from the competition is to have the world building and the story and the narrative, which shows your critical thinking and application of actually making an environment and not just like making something from 1-to-1, because that's not enough anymore.
Absolutely.
Which is how competitive it's getting. So I saw a few things. So in here, just make sure this feels weird. So just make sure it actually like this one cool. This one is kind of like looks weird. Just make sure the cap is really obviously on top of the brick, because you look here, there's a clear shadow and definition of this and how it goes round, and you need to just pop them out a bit. You want to like add extra depth to it, so they're kind of stuck in between the wall at the moment. So
yeah, I can definitely
make sure you do that.
Yeah, absolutely. That's easy to do. I will totally do that. Yeah.
Oh my god, the smallest pen size is too big. What else did I spot? Where was it? In here. So you can see this in the ref. I'm just gonna grab these because I can't zoom into it. That's better. So I think at the moment it's two Houdini. It's two, like, if I just do this, right?
Yeah, let me just see what is it. If I can find a better screenshot, because that was like a week ago, right?
Yeah, if you know what I'm getting at.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? It's just
Yeah. See, like those are okay. Yeah, that's absolutely fair. They are outdated screenshots from that time. Let's see if I can find a better one.
I'll catch up with that question in a moment. DC, DC. You have to let me know how to pronounce your name.
Right, so this one is more. This is more accurate to what is currently in engine.
So this is better, but still, it looks like it's all made out of one mesh.
Gotcha.
So if you really like, it's good that you've got reference for this as well. If you really sort of lock in and avoid like the color difference, I think you can see, right? It's you got the actual occlusion between the gaps, and it's all the stuff that I say, like Nate brought up, right? Like you to get this level of finish is very difficult with Houdini. So with this, a sculpted version would be less procedural, but it would look better. So what you need to kind of figure out is how can you get these silhouette structures on your Houdini tool, because this is what's gonna take it to the next level. Whereas here it's like it's too mathematical, so it feels like sci-fi almost. Like it's super super sci-fi. But I think this is more of a like issue with the workflow and what you want to do, right? So if you're able to find anyone that can do this type of stuff in Houdini, definitely have a look, because it's difficult stuff. But yeah, it's you've got to bring random chaos to something that is clean and procedural. So that's this is a something to solve for your whole project, which is like, is it technical or is it artistic? So it's going back to that, right?
Yeah.
And what you're gonna make with it. So, but also the color here is nice. I think you might wash out too much on this, so just be wary. Some are darker, some are lighter. This one's a bit lighter. This one's a bit darker. You have a little bit of that, which is good, but you just need more obvious gaps between them and more chaos. Have you considered like, because you used to do this when you first started working earlier in the year, but have you considered like making a few like slabs in ZBrush and then laying them out with Houdini, as opposed to trying to do the actual slab itself in Houdini?
Yeah.
I think this is pretty much how it works in games. Like if we remember correctly, the Assassin's Creed Shadows, he sculpted like 8 slabs, pretty quick, easy, trim dynamic, and then those 8 slabs got him all his Houdini scattering on the things he needed.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I don't see I don't see how you're going to do that with Houdini. I don't think I've seen anyone do that with Houdini yet, or unless they're super advanced. So there's something to solve on your end with mixing the workflows, because I know you can do ZBrush. You used to do it, so something to consider.
Yeah.
I've made a mess of your board.
Yeah. No, it's all good. Yeah. Just it's all good. Yeah. No, I'm gonna think about that. Yeah.
I think you should consider it, because you're literally, it would take you 1 hour to sculpt.
Yeah.
If you made this, and you made this one, and you made this, it'd take you 1 hour to sculpt. Drag some alphas on it, and then see what you can do with it.
Yeah. That sounds good for sure. Yeah.
I think that's the last remaining question on your scene, because you're doing world building, you're doing role play, you're figuring out all the things that you would say to sell this scene, as in like it's part of a game and narrative, and you go into interviews and you can talk everything about how it's made. If you're going into that level of detail to world build it,
Mm.
I feel you need to introduce the world building in the actual models, which is going to require ZBrush pretty much.
Yeah, what is it? I can totally do that. I guess it would also make sense because of that generalistic aspect as well, right? So it's like you can not only do Houdini, right, but you can also actually, what is it, go into the artistic field and model and sculpt things, right? Which is like the thing that Nate Stevens talked about, right? Being able to do a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, honestly, if you like, even with that Indiana Jones stuff, that's more advanced. But just sculpting is not that hard for environment stuff, except for rocks, because a lot of it is just like I'm gonna drag alphas on, I'm gonna trim dynamic, I'm gonna put them on a layer because I'm not deforming the mesh. I can move the layer, I can use the morph target. All it looks nice and organic-y, right? It's for this stuff especially, it's gonna be good. But I feel as though if you are able to get the ZBrush side with the Houdini side, you will be unstoppable. And the ZBrush side isn't going to take that much. Your biggest challenge is how to make the ZBrush models scatter properly with the tool and repropagate and flip it. But that would probably make you unstoppable, I think.
I think so too, yeah.
I put some notes here, this horrible font, but just fix the obvious clipping stuff, right?
Yeah.
If Game Director was playing your level and saw that, even though it's clearly work in progress, game directors, they will just bring up anything instantly they see as wrong.
Yeah.
So just fix the super easy stuff. Cool. No, that's the main thing, really. Yeah, good job overall. Good momentum. It's a good scope. You're putting in the storytelling stuff with T and Fabio.
Yeah.
You just need to get the ZBrush side down. I would use these cornerstones as your first test.
Yeah, for sure. I can totally do that. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I plan to what is it on my total plan? I guess it's like, what is it? I have one more week for the L3 stage in theory, right? But I might extend it for in total 2 more weeks, right? To just really dial it down. Yeah. Yeah.
Interesting. Probably have too many stages, to be honest. I think you can't stage production that much. You can only stage the beginning.
Yeah. Yeah, no, for sure. It's good to have a framework, right? But at some point, it's just not stay too rigid, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
I would say.
Yeah.
Let's say this is polish when mostly everything's done, and then I would say this one needs to be like much longer, and then this needs to be like there's lots of different names for it, but production ready. Because the polish should be like the easy, fun stuff at the end, and the production should be getting the quality bar. At the moment, I'd say you're at like, where's the video? What would I say you're at? I'd say you're at, it's playable. You can walk around it. Assuming there'd be gameplay here, you can walk around and do the thing you need to do. It's got some obvious errors with clipping that would take you back a certain stage, and even collision is a little bit of one as well. But I would probably say this is like, this would be the equivalent of like the stage after Blockout.
Yeah.
Everything's got materials. Everything's got shape. Everything's represented. Metal things are metal. Non-metal things aren't metal. But it's not. It hasn't got decals and
But
detailing and sculpted bits and bobs and the trims
absolutely
and
not. Yeah.
cuttings. So it's still like you'd probably go into the next phase. Cat.
Yeah.
But
No,
yeah, every studio's
absolutely.
got phases, so that's just a general thing. But I'd say you've got textures and stuff on, and it is playable. So you'd probably be entering the phase now where you want to get it to I guess, a shippable state, which means hitting quality. So everything's
Yeah,
there. It just needs to
absolutely.
be shippable, which means like good texture resolution, good looking assets, which is where the ZBrush comes in,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
polish is lighting, color grading, all that sort of stuff.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah,
Yeah.
give the ZBrush a try because you used to do it a lot, and I feel as though you probably dived too much into Houdini, where like you don't want to do anything in ZBrush. But I would definitely like. I know you can sculpt, so sculpt some stones and mix Houdini
Mhm.
with the non-Houdini stuff. That's when you become the true wizard, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's definitely, what is it like, if I'm able to expand my knowledge and, go into the scattering logic as well, right? That's like, I mean,
I know
that's
something you can watch. You should go and get. Where is it? I feel as though you should get this. I think it. I can't remember if it's free or not because EXP made a bunch of stuff free. But you should get this. So this is the. So this person was. They used to be a student a long time ago, and they took Nate Stevens' class,
Mhm.
and she was so good at like her project and her workflow and stuff that like Nate ended up hiring her after like that's the
That's
paraphrase.
awesome.
I'll link in the podcast, but yeah, this person like I think you should just have a gander at this because I've watched this a while ago. Lots of using alphas and then knocking the
Mhm.
alphas back and then just minimal. Oh, this is wood, right? But for stone, you get it as well. So I'd say this is
Yeah.
like the gold standard. So get that
Gotcha,
and get a
gotcha.
bunch of alphas and so yeah, looks and that's mostly alphas with just a bit of manual sculpting.
Yeah.
Because then your wood's going to
Totally
be
doable.
like a wood plank. Like, why would you make a wood plank in Houdini? But you need a bunch of wood planks, so just may as well ZBrush it, right?
Mhm.
That's my opinion
No,
on going next.
yeah,
Seeing
for
a bit
sure.
slate.
Seriously.
But yeah, no, those are the general notes. Have a gander and take it from there, and we can talk off stream for the other stuff anyway. So
Yeah, for sure. No, awesome.
my first game dev, I 2-day interviews where you basically do an art test. Yeah, art tests in studios and art tests in general are kind of. I remember the art test in studio. Doing an art test in the studio that'd be scary. Dissy, are you still here? Because I'm based in India. Was going to further studies. You should have a chat with V. Have a chat with V. What would be your ideal? He wants to work on. Yeah, Witcher. Yeah.
There's also Maxime. I think, what is it? Does he have a project thread? Let's take a look. Because I think he also wanted feedback.
Who?
Mm-hmm.
No. Sorry,
Let's
who?
see, or Maxime, the lighting
Oh,
artist
did he want feedback?
here.
Well, I should probably do some sort of because I wouldn't have known otherwise. Ideally, you probably want to. I don't know the format of this yet. The format is come on and talk through the work, but I'd say as soon as more people sign up, it changes.
Mm-hmm.
But I say ideally the person needs to be here. Is what I'd say.
Yeah.
I'll have a quick look though.
Think, let's see.
Did he want feedback on his sci-fi stuff? This is old, right?
Mhm.
This is a bit older.
I think so. I think so. What is it? Oh, he has a. Does he have a? Puref? A Puref board. Interesting.
I'm not downloading the Pure board.
Let me take a look. His mirror is what he shared. All right.
Yeah, where did he share it?
It's a great question. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, I can see it. Wait, I'm
Oh,
gonna send it to you.
T linked it. Oh
Yeah.
no, it's a private. I think it's private.
Yeah. Ah, damn.
If you
Yeah.
are watching, hit me up off stream, because I know I haven't exactly put this is how feedback works, but usually it's when folks are here. But actually, yeah, because he hasn't messaged me, just let him know we can do it off stream, because I can't access the stuff.
Yeah. No problem. Will do.
Just
Will
throw a
do.
message for me. Let's catch up on the chat. Yeah, if you want to work on medieval stuff, there is a lot of that is in Europe, but there is. I've heard India's game dev scene is starting to pick up. Like you got that one sort of game, right, being developed in India that looks like Black Myth Wukong, but it's based on like other things. So, but yeah, have a chat with V because he's in India and he's on his journey. So,
Yeah.
is there anything in chat I've missed before I start to head off, or anything anyone wants to ask? I'll stay around for 5 minutes. Then I will be back on to the Patreon, and I need to eat. But yeah, good to be back. Good to see all the regulars and some new faces and some trolls. We had some trolls today, which is always fun.
Damn, those trolls.
Little goblins backseating.
Damn, I got competition. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna head back, to T and V. Thank you very much.
No worries. See you in a bit.
See you
Any
a
final
bit.
questions, folks? Remember, we have active community and with a bunch of things on the Discord. A bunch of guest talks on there, recorded videos, voice chat, all that good stuff. All right. Nice seeing you all again. I'll see you guys next Thursday as we go into Christmas.